Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, we're gonna review Arctic Quest. Quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Arctic Quest is listed as a casual game with a winter theme interface where players complete minigames and puzzles. While it appears to be a simple entertainment app, a big part of its appeal seems to come from claims or suggestions that you can earn real money or prizes by playing. However, the Play Store listing doesn't provide much detail about the reward system, and there's no official website or company information listed. Most of the positive reviews are vague and generic, while several recent reviews report that cash outs are delayed or never arrive at all, even after meeting the in game requirements. Users also mention being bombarded with ads, especially as they get closer to payout threshold, something very common in questionable reward based apps. So, for the final verdict, is Arctic Quest legit or a scam? Well, the app functions as a casual game, but when it comes to actual rewards, it's highly questionable. The lack of transparency, overwhelming ads, and frequent complaints about unpaid rewards raise serious red flags. If you're just playing for fun and don't mind watching tons of ads, it might be fine. But if you're expecting to make real money, don't get your hopes up. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.